So you could if I got like some huge bag, I could just.
Right.
Oh yeah, because the dog can definitely hear that.
Then I can do a comparison of all of them, and then that'll be worth it, I guess. The pipe looks good.
Yeah, this thing looks cool. Right on, brother.
Dang.
I'm giving deuces to the police.
Dude, he actually came out and waved. Wow. That was cool. That's the first time in my life I've seen a motorcycle cop
Did you get it on video?
Yeah. I'm filming, I think. Yeah, I am filming. Cool.
I like driving around here. It's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, road closed.
Alright guys, Oregon Motorcycle back with another episode. We are in downtown Portland, baby. Woo! You know it. We're headed to a shop out here. It's not really, I don't know, I guess it's a storefront. I don't even have no idea actually. This is my first time coming here. A lot of you guys
telling me to go past them.
Yeah.
The light needs to change.
There it is.
Can you get out of the way?
Dude, I wish we had like air horns right now. We could just slam there. Woohoo!
There's cars coming.
There's cars everywhere. Alright. In Portland, trying to get to Northwest, so we're going to cruise up NATO Parkway here for a bit, I suppose. And we're going to go see the guys at SW-MoTech. So sit back and enjoy this video. A little tour through downtown right now. Gonna have a little tour through SW-MoTech. Like I said, I have no idea what's in store, what's gonna be there. So, but
who knows if we can even go in?
Yeah, we might not even make this video. Yeah, this might not even be a video, guys. So hold on.
Oh yeah, because the dog can definitely hear that. I know, right? What the heck?
Seems like some of the homeless camps have shifted.
Yeah, they move around.
Since the riots, maybe, I don't know.
Move around all the time.
That had any influence. They got a scooter too, dude. They got it hooked up down here.
And new apartments going up everywhere, like over there.
Yeah. Nobody can afford them. Meanwhile, the homeless population keeps growing.
Yeah, seriously. So we're gonna take a right here.
It's in a good spot of town. Good section of town. McMiniman's right there, and some good walking in shops and stuff. Oh, nice. Got the Africa Twin. Hello.
Oh, it looks like we can go in.
The next size down is probably the jam for that bike. That's what I run on my KTM.
So when you're getting gas, I guess you hope that the gas tank is right here, because there's no hole for like a...
You just gotta flip these.
Oh, you can clip these and then
flip it up. Yep, exactly. So that's the Evo Enduro.
Yeah.
I run the Evo Enduro LT.
Yeah.
Which is pretty damn good. Like I can fit, it's probably about the size of the day pack here, except for it's a little more boxy and quite a bit taller and expands. So you can fit like a small water in there, Certainly things like a pair of gloves, goggles, wallet, phone, batteries, like close replacement for an aluminum bag. You know, it's similar capacity. I think you're kind of stuck with on an SLC, the 10 or the 15. You can't go with the larger 30 on that bike, but that makes sense. It's a lot of weight for the tail there. But you can go 2 sides and a top, which does give you quite a bit.
Yeah. And then this is the plate, right?
Correct.
So you could if I got like some huge bag, I could just strap it on there.
That's right. Yep, exactly right. A buddy I ride with who did just that. He's got a set of tank bags that he loves, or saddlebags that he loves, and he's gonna strap them to that. So it's like a dry bag. It has a removable liner that's waterproof. So, you know, if something spills or it's dirty, it'll get dusty and muddy sometimes. You can pull this out and wash it. Putting gear in there.
Like my Kriega bag.
Same. It's kind of the best option if you're going with soft bags, and this one's
like
not.
The Moscow too is like that.
Yeah. Everything needs to have some kind of containment if it's soft, right? So the Moscow's solution is a really hard, rigid shell that kind of goes, and then you slide in their dry bags, but you're really limited on the dry bag size and exactly how it has to fit. Love them, super compact on the bike. This is a little bit, I think, gives you a few more options.
I like the way that the Moscows work and how they look and all that stuff, but I want to get the bars, the mounting system, you know.
Yep.
We saw someone fall in front of us, and the bars were the first thing that hit and saved his muffler.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah. And I think our full set for these for your bike is $500. It's fairly inexpensive.
Alright guys, so we just visited the guys here at SW-MoTech. I highly suggest you guys stop by here if you're looking for any ADV luggage. They have a nice selection here. This is a distributor here out of Portland, and they said they're going to have an open house probably Friday around noon, Labor Day weekend. So if you guys are in the area, I suggest you come by and check it out. That was cool. We're sizing up some things. They're looking at a skid plate for this bike, and he's looking at some luggage for his bike so he can go camp with us and quit making excuses why he's not camping with us. You heard me. I smell food. Smells good. Yeah, so they have a good selection of SW-MoTech makes some really nice stuff. We were just looking at it in person. That was the first time I seen their product in person, and it's a really good product. I really like some of the bags they had and some of the side bags they had, so it was cool coming down here. I don't know where the hell I'm at.
I don't know where the hell I'm at either. I was just following Google.
My phone's in my pocket, I hope. Yeah, it is. We just need to move because I'm sweating.
All right.
With your big ass knobby tires.
Cyclist coming up.
Yeah. So I just got to hit this trail for a second, then we can.
He's just gone down the stairs.
Well, you could have sent it.
I don't have a skid plate, bro.
Oh, is that your excuse? I thought you were going to use your quick shifter excuse.
Oh my!
Are you going to get jealous again?
They don't make a center stand.
All right, guys, this is where I sign off. We're headed back to Oregon City. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just doing a little cruising around downtown. And we come to this beautiful spot to take pictures. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in some luggage, like I said, for your bike, go down, check those guys out. Great group of guys down there. So until next time, folks, Oregon Motorcycle.
Look at this guy parking not on the bar.
They said F that. Oh yeah, dude, these rocks are way too huge.
They are pretty big.
No, I know.
This is so bumpy.
It is. Go all the way to the end maybe and we'll get a picture. I don't know.
Yeah.
The river is really low here. Crazy, dude. Come back here in the wintertime when the river's all high, and then remember how far you drove out here.